Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about the herb marjoram, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with the herb marjoram. So if you're looking for some different meal or recipe ideas, hopefully this should help you out. In the way of protein foods, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have beans in general, especially green beans and lima beans. There's beef, black-eyed peas, chicken, eggs, fish and other seafood, lamb, pine nuts, pork, sausage, sugar snap peas, veal, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables, there's artichokes, beets, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, chiles, eggplant, greens like deep leafy greens, onions, parsnips, potatoes, squash, including summer and winter squash types, and tomatoes and tomato sauce. In the way of fruits, there's lemons, olives, especially green olives, and oranges. In the way of grains and grain products, we have corn and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese, like cottage cheese, cream cheese, goat cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. In the other foods category, there's capers, oil, vinegar, and wine. I hope this gives you some good ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.